Smart infrastructure, smart utilities, smart technology and smart communication are the building blocks of tomorrow. The future is smart and the future is here. The year is 2019 and you are witnessing a future-ready, sustainable and smart city where culture meets convenience, where ease of doing business is a way of life and where industries can set up and flourish in a short time span. A melting pot of history and culture, this is a city with planned open spaces, clean air, smart governance and the perfect environment to raise a family. Welcome to India's first greenfield smart industrial city, Dholera. A city at the technological forefront amongst global smart cities designed to be ISO 37120 compliant. Close to Dholera is the historical site of Lothal. Dholera extends the vision of this ancient city of Lothal to one of the most advanced cities of the 21st century. Situated in the progressive Indian state of Gujarat, Dholera is located with extensive external connectivity through air, sea, road and rail. At 920 square kilometers, Dholera's footprint is larger than Singapore. Dholera will be developed in phases over 30 years, starting with an area of 22.5 square kilometers. A city so perfect that people will wonder how it was planned and executed. The answer to that question started taking shape in 2011. After years of detailed and holistic planning, Dholera is set to be operational by 2019. Dholera's extensive and detailed implementation strategy takes into account several trunk infrastructure projects, including potable water, sewage, industrial wastewater, stormwater, power and information and communication technology, and roads. Special zones have been allocated for residential living, industrial areas, a high-access corridor with expressway access, recreation and sports, tourism and resorts, economically weaker section housing, functional open and green spaces, social amenities, and physical infrastructure. Building the city from the ground up, the vision has been to have a plug-and-play format. So all the land parcels are fully ICT-enabled and completely built-up infrastructure is offered right at the plot level. This is truly a first-of-its-kind offering in India. A variety of non-polluting industries can be accommodated with heavy engineering, auto and auto ancillaries, defense and MRO benefiting the most because of the availability of large land parcels, smart infrastructure and skilled labor. This forms the platform for industries to invest and operate in Dholera without having to worry about developing the surroundings. A detailed implementation strategy, allocating land segments for varied uses, includes the largest land parcel for industrial development in the world. World-class, smart and sustainable infrastructure facilities set Dholera apart. Dholera's planning includes safe and well-controlled roads with multi-purpose corridors, bicycle tracks, wide footpaths, service roads and tree cover. Dholera's road plan includes shaded pedestrian-friendly walkways for comfort and safety through constant monitoring by CCTV cameras. For the first time in India, all trunk infrastructure like gas, ICT, power, potable water, recycled water, sewer pipes and storm water are pre-installed underground with the capability of handling growing demands of the city. A dynamic, intelligent traffic management system is planned to reduce emissions, enable rerouting and auto-detection of violations. An impressive transport hub with multifunctional zones will host parking. Part of the planning includes rooftop solar panels and add-on peripherals such as mobile recharging, charging points for electrical vehicles at public and private buildings, and various other facilities. In this city geared towards eco-friendly transportation, even the bus shelters are equipped with electric vehicle charging points, enabling smart public transportation. Water is the lifeline for any city to flourish, and a strong water source is essential for industries to thrive. Dholera's primary water source is the Narmada River through the Saurashtra Branch Canal, which ensures reliable and safe water 24/7 after treatment. Installation of sensors and SCADA technologies allows minimizing of losses and better usage management. Dholera has an inherent ability to manage and recycle waste. Water recycling through a smart wastewater system allows for 100% recyclability of domestic and industrial wastewater up to tertiary standards, and the smart stormwater management system saves, harvests and treats stormwater runoff, which ensures sustainability and creates a city water body to enhance quality of life. An integrated solid waste management facility is planned to handle all types of solid waste, like municipal solid waste, industrial solid waste, e-waste and biomedical waste, and will include waste-to-energy generation facility. Using technologies, this entire framework will be automated, making the process smarter and the city cleaner. A smart city needs to create and utilize smart power. To shape this vision into reality, Dholera will implement smart metering and monitoring to minimize losses and ensure a reliable power supply. Earning the smart tag, Dholera will focus on various forms of renewable energy by utilizing resources like solar and other sustainable modes. Dholera's design includes people-centric spaces and amenities along with smart infrastructure. Geared towards social and intellectual interaction, Dholera has dedicated spaces for basic amenities including hospitals and fire stations, as well as spaces for awareness activities such as community halls and shopping centres, along with neighbourhood, community and linear parks within walkable distances. From neighbourhood-level farmers' market to taxi and auto stands, from dedicated zones for hawkers to emergency services with quick response time, with education infrastructure strategically located for ease of access and function, from early childhood education to Anganwadis, from colleges to skill development centres. Trees too have been carefully selected to complement the different seasons of Gujarat, giving identity to different zones. The nerve centre that will control the city of Dholera is the administrative and business centre, serving as a focal point in the city. This complex will have a completely pedestrian-oriented design with sustainable features complying with LEED Gold requirements, ensuring energy saving through efficient design. The role of information and communication technology is to build a smart, socially and technologically attractive, sustainable, world-class city, which will be one of the engines for the economic growth of the region. ICT infrastructure is expected to add to the city's sustainable development and economic growth and create world-class quality of life, along with a platform for efficient operations and administration. Dholera SIR is expected to be a city that will use information and communications technology as an underlying enabler in all spheres of the city and will integrate multiple essential disciplines such as governance, healthcare, safety and security, education, transportation, industrial growth, utilities and economy, with city dashboards enabling monitoring of all the city parameters. Dholera, a smart city like no other, offering never-seen-before ease of doing business with large plot sizes, plug-and-play infrastructure, the right environment for R&D and excellent growth potential. Dholera, a sustainable city worth living in, offering easy access to open spaces, greenery and community amenities alongside a safe, convenient and pollution-free environment with easy access to public transport. Dholera, a smart city, a smart investment.